Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today is, as you all know, what day today? Today is Friday. And what session you think we are going to have today? We are going to have art and craft session. Miss Juno has taken care of that, and you would have already watched, or I think you're yet to watch the art and craft video. Okay. Today we are going to see some cultural lessons, the lessons from the culture workbook. Okay, fine. Are you all ready? Okay, let's get started. Today we are going to learn about road safety. Road safety, how to behave on the road, how to cross the road, and how to protect yourself from any injuries or accidents from the road. Are you all ready? Okay. Before getting into the concept, I would first like to know what all safety rules you know, what all the rules we'll follow when we go on road. Can anybody tell me? Okay. I'm getting some like mixed answers. Okay, I'll take everybody's points. I'll just sum them up and we'll discuss on it. Okay. To start with, you should never go alone. Never go alone on the street or on the road. Okay, you should never be alone. Nowadays, like, we are getting a lot of like threats. People are being kidnapped. Lot of problems we face nowadays, right? We will not be able to know from which direction the vehicles come. So never go alone. Then next thing that you have to follow on the road is never walk in the middle of the road. On your left hand side, you should always walk on your left hand side, and you will be able to see some pavements or footpath for you to walk. Shall I go ahead and show you the picture of the footpath? Come, just have a look at it. Are you all able to see? This is the picture of a pavement or a footpath. Pavement, you all would have seen this. Road la pogumbodhu you all have seen it, right? Namma on the side we have to walk because other vehicles, nadu road la pona, there are other vehicles who would be coming fast and hit you bad, right? Point number 1. Point number 2 is no running. You should not run on the pavement, even on the middle of the road, but still you should not run on the pavement. You should walk slowly, holding your hands, holding the hands of your parent or your grandparent. With the elders, with whomever elders you are walking on the road, you should always hold their hands. You must hold their hands. You must not walk alone or run alone on the road. You must always walk on the pavement or on the footpath. It's called as a footpath or a pavement. Then now we talked about walking on the road. Now we are going to talk about crossing the road. Nama eppadi road cross panano? Or signal irukku. We have 2-3 things to remember while walking. First thing is the signal. I'll tell you about the signal a bit later. Okay, adukku munnadi road cross பண்ணும்போது we must always stand nearby our elder, and before crossing the road you must first look onto your right, your left, and then again to your right. Right, left, right is the rule you have to follow. What is the rule? Right, left, right. Right parunga, left parunga, thirupi right parunga. Hold the hands of your elders, the parents, grandparents, or the elders, and you should not run. You should walk slowly along with them, and you should cross only on the pedestrian crossing or using the zebra crossing. Pedestrian crossing or the zebra crossing. I am now going to show you the picture of a zebra crossing. This is the picture of a zebra crossing or a pedestrian crossing. As you see the picture, you will now come to know why it is called as a zebra crossing, because it has stripes like zebra, right? Black and white. That's why it's called as a zebra crossing. No distractions while crossing the road. By distraction I mean neenga vandu yarayume disturb pannakoodadhu, distract agakudaduna, concentration inge angiyum pokudadhu. You should also not play while crossing the road, or you should not talk to the elders, or you should not even distract them. Avangalaiyum neenga disturb panni concentration miss panna vekkakudadhu. Your concentration should be only on crossing the road. You must only cross the road. Chariya. Now, having known about how to behave on a road, we will now learn about the traffic signal. You all asked, like I told you now that you have to cross the road. Even before crossing the road, you must first know about this traffic signal. When to cross the road, abdin solittu there is a rule, right? Can you go ahead and cross the road whenever you like? Ungalku eppola road cross pannanum thonudho appolam can we go and cross? Mudiyadhu illaya? You have vehicles coming this side and going that side. So adukku traffic signal helps us to, traffic signal tells us when should we stop, when should we be ready and when should we cross the road. What does the traffic signal tell us? It tells us நம்ம எப்போ ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும், எப்போ வந்து ரெடியாக இருக்கணும் க்ராஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, அண்ட் எப்போ நம்ம க்ராஸ் பண்ணணும்ன்ட்டு. ஓகேவா? திஸ் டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல் ஹேஸ் 3 கலர்ஸ். இந்த டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல்ஸ் வந்து இந்த லேம்ப் போஸ்ட்டில் யூ வில் சி, அப்பா அம்மாவோட வண்டியில் போகும்போது வுட் ஹவ் டெஃபினெட்லி சீன் இந்த சிக்னல் இருக்குது, சிக்னல் போட்டிருக்குன்னா பேரண்ட்ஸ் வுட் ஹவ் been talking, right? நீங்களும் சிக்னலில் நின்று ஜீப்ரா கிராசிங் கிட்டே நின்று பார்க்கும்போது இந்த லைட்ஸ்லாம் கலர் லைட்ஸ் ரோடில் மேலே பார்த்துருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? அதுதான் டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல். இட் கண்ட்ரோல்ஸ் த டிராஃபிக். வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ் போகிறதையும் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணும், பீப்புள் ரோடை க்ராஸ் பண்ணும்போது இல்லை வாக் பண்ணுறதையும் இட் வில் கண்ட்ரோல். இட் ஹேஸ் 3 கலர்ஸ். I will now show you the picture of a traffic signal. You will come to know about it in detail. You would have definitely seen it. இதை பார்த்தோன்னே you will get an idea. Come. So are you all able to see the traffic signal? Yes, it has 3 colors. From the top, red, yellow or amber. Yellow solla, amber solla, green. It has 3 colors. Red, yellow, green. I'll now tell you the usages of the colors. Okay, first, when as a pedestrian, அதாவது நீங்கள் வந்து ரோடு கிராஸ் பண்ணும்பொழுது, okay, I am talking about you when you cross the road. நீங்கள் கிராஸ் பண்ணும்போது எப்படி வந்து நீங்கள் பார்க்கணுன்ட்டு. When the traffic signal is red in color, you have to cross the road. Okay, that particular signal red அப்படின்னு இருக்கிறது வந்து it is for the vehicles to stop. Vehicles to stop. Okay, vehicles will stop and red இருக்கும்போது you have to cross the road. There are 2 varieties of lights. ஒன்று வந்து ரவுண்ட் நார்மல் லைட்டாக இருக்கும், இன்னொன்று இந்த லைட் போடும்போது யூ see a man standing or walking மாதிரி தெரியும். ரெட் கலரில் மேன் ஸ்டாண்டிங் இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அதில் அப்படி இருந்தாக்க இட் ஹஸ் அனதர் மீனிங். சரியா? நார்மல் சிக்னலில் when there is a red light you have to walk. The vehicles will stop and you have to cross using the zebra crossing, holding the elders' hands. When it comes to yellow or amber color, you have to get ready. Amber வரும்போதே you should either go to that side or you have to come this side. நடுவில் இருக்க முடியாது. Clear? And when it comes to green, நீங்கள் வந்து you should not go. You should not cross the road when the signal is green in color. Vehicles will have to go. Vehicles போகும்போது will you be able to cross the road? You are not supposed to cross it. So you will have to stop in the vehicle when the signal is green in color. This is for walking. நீங்கள்லாம் என்ன சொல்லலாம்? green இருந்தால் நம்ம போகணும்னு சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? That is for the vehicles and not for us. As a pedestrian, road cross பண்ணும்போது நீங்கள் as a person who walk, you have to learn this first. 3 colors. Red, yellow and green. Red is for you to walk, for the people who walk. Cross the road. Yellow is to watch. Green is to stop. Green போனால் ஏதாவது either sidesல you have to stop. You cannot cross the road when the signal is green. Are you all clear? புரிஞ்சுதா? Red, yellow and green. These are the 3 colors in a traffic signal. Now it is time for us to know more that is there in our workbook. Come on, let's take a look at it. So now when you open your culture workbook, go to page number 10, you will find this page. This page has this picture. This is a scene of a road. Okay, road la or crossing scenario this is. And as I told you, this page also shows you the rules that you have to follow. There are 7 rules. I'll tell you one by one. As I told you everything, right? We'll just sum it up. Now, before summing it up, you have to color this picture. Okay, color and enjoy. Chariya? So this is the scene I told you. நான் சொன்ன ரூல்ஸ்லாம் இதில் இருக்கு பாருங்க. See even the cyclist person who is riding a cycle should also wait for the signal and go. நம்ம சைக்கிளில் தானே போகிறோம், நம்ம ஸ்பீடாக போக மாட்டோம், யாரையும் இடிக்க மாட்டோம். We should not think. சரியா? See, they are crossing in the zebra crossing. First thing, see the child is holding the hands of the elder. They are not walking, I mean they are walking, not running, no distractions. Signal விழுந்த அப்புறம் தான் they are walking. Correcta? So you have to be very careful about it. This is what we discussed right now. So you have to follow the rules strictly. Now turn to the next page and you have some pictures here. These pictures give you some messages. Seeing these pictures, நீங்க என்ன சொல்லணும்னா, you have to tell which will keep you safe on the road. இதில் எது ஃபாலோ பண்ணால் you will be safe on the road, அதை நீங்கள் கலர் பண்ணணும் இல்லை சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு you see children playing on the road. ஒரு கார் வேறு, there is a car that is nearing the footpath, I mean nearing the zebra crossing. Have I ever told you can play on the zebra crossing or you play on the middle of the road? No, right? So this picture is not going to give you a safer message, so you will not circle or color it. Now see here, this is a signboard which shows you have to hold the hands of an elder person and walk. This gives you an important message, so you will circle it or you will color it. Next, see this picture. While crossing, you are waiting for the crosswalk. Crosswalk means the zebra crossing. Using the zebra crossing to cross the road. This is very safe. You must cross the road using a zebra crossing. So இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு safe. So you will color or circle this picture. Then you see here, road level while cycling, an elderly person is helping. இல்லையா? He is also wearing a helmet. Cycle ஓட்டும் போது he is wearing his helmet. He is also helped by an elderly person. இது சேஃபா இல்லையா? Yes, very good. This is safe. You have to ride your cycle like this. Without elder's help, you are not supposed to go alone. Walking ஆ இருந்தாலும் சரி, cycling ஆ இருந்தாலும் சரி. So this is a safer one. So you will color it or you will circle it. Then you see, while going somewhere, while going by car, you are supposed to wear your seat belts, right? Amma appa illa tata paati solvanga illaya, once when you get inside the car they will tell don't forget to wear your seat belts. Seat belt is absolutely safe. At any time it will protect us from getting hurt or major injury illama it will save us. So this picture also gives you a message that is safe on the road. So you have to circle it or color it. முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்தாலும் சரி பின்னாடி உட்கார்ந்தாலும் சரி you will have to wear your seat belts. Remember it, it's a must. சரியா? Okay. The next picture என்ன? They are looking both the sides before they cross the road or walking, or while walking on the road or while crossing the road. You must always do that. Right, left, right. There will be some people who might not obey the traffic rules. Signal வந்து அவங்களுக்கு போகக்கூடாதுன்னு இருந்தாலும் சில பேர் போயிடுவாங்க, மிஸ்டீவியஸ் பீப்புள். அப்போது சிக்னல் இல்லை we can walk அப்படின்னு நம்பி ஃப்ரீயாக போக முடியாது. we still have to be very careful. ஓகே, நம்ம நேராக பார்த்துட்டு ரைட் லெஃப்ட் ரைட் பார்த்துட்டு நேராக ஜாகிரதையாக பார்த்துட்டு you have to cross the road. ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் இப்போ I'll sum it up. எதெல்லாம் சேஃப்டி, எதெல்லாம் சேஃப் டு வாக் ஆன் ரோட் ஆர் டு சைக்கிள், ரைட் அ சைக்கிள் ஆன் த ரோட்லாம் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். This signboard says hold the hands of an elderly person and walk. It is safe, so color this or circle this. இங்கே பாருங்க, I told you use the zebra crossing or the pavement to walk. இங்கே பாருங்க, I told you two types of green signals, right? See, now the signal shows walk. A pedestrian person, a pedestrian is the one who walks. It shows the pedestrian symbol, so it means that the man walking, so you are now safe to walk. Next, you are using the elderly person's help to ride a cycle and the person is also wearing a helmet. This is absolutely safe. And here car la munnadi ukandalum pinnadi ukandalum you must always wear your seat belt. Then inga right left right பார்த்துட்டு தான் you must proceed further. walking ஆனாலும் சரி crossing ஆனாலும் சரி. சரி, இங்கே நான் ஒன்று சொல்கிறேன், Miss Soundarya has told me to see right left right. நம்ம அதுக்கு நான் அங்கேயே நின்னுட்டு right left right பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கலாமா? No. Cross பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி just ஒரு தடவை right left right பார்த்துட்டு you must cross. This action is just to check whether there is any vehicle coming on the way. சரியா? Okay. Now go to page number 17. In this 17 it shows it has a picture of a traffic signal. I showed you the picture now, right? On page number 17 you have the picture of a traffic signal. See, I have a picture in school here. We have a model in school here. Sorry, a model in school here which shows the traffic pole is standing near the traffic signal. See the colors, it has a red color, yellow color and a green color. So a traffic signal always starts with the top of a traffic signal is always red, the middle one is yellow and the green, the last one is green in color, and the post to which it is there standing is black in color. Now you saw the model of a traffic signal, right? After seeing that, now go ahead and color this traffic signal and enjoy. This is for your reference. You will be working on page numbers 10, 11 and 17. So that is all for today. You have to follow you must follow the traffic rules so that we are safe. Yes, for our safety purposes, we must follow these road safety measures. I'll meet you in another video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.